Tired of dealing with fussy Vinca plants? MIYOSHI has a solution. Our Sphere Series Vinca is compact, low maintenance, and no PGR applications required. The biggest feature of this series is its perfectly round, compact growth habit. No need for pinching and pruning, it stays round on its own, saving you time and effort. And because the branches don't stretch, there's no need for PGR applications. It's easy on the planet and your wallet. Choose from 5 beautiful colors: polka dot, rose, white, peach, and punch. Compact, low maintenance, no PGRs? The Sphere Series. It's the Vinca you've been looking for. Contact us today. Thank you for watching our channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.